Welcome back to our channel. So this is the Royal Alloy GP150. So dun sa last nating video ng Fascio telling me why Fascio is better than Giorno, napakadaming nagko-comment. So I still stand by what I think. So hindi naman kasi lahat ng nagmomotor tungkol sa specs. I mean, it's good na mataas yung specs ng motor, plus yun of course, pero you have to live kasi doon sa itsura ng motor. Let's be honest. So I'm just showing another option that you can buy definitely better than the Giorno. This is a 150cc. Kung katulad ka namin ng iba na mga open-minded na gustong mag-classic na motorcycle, this is way better. You can live with this every day. Makikita mo siya sa garahe mo. Yung kasing specs na pinipilit nyo, honestly, hindi nyo naman makikita yun eh. All you actually need while riding is your riding skills and yung sitting time mo sa motor mo. Kung paano mo nakilala, paano mo i-ride yung motor mo. Iti-test ride ko tong Royal Alloy. So sa next video natin, i-first ride impression natin siya and pag-usapan natin kung ito ba dapat yung next bike natin or dapat ba tayong maniwala dun sa mga nagko-comment na mas importante yung specs.